Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be entry level, and they are providing all the computer equipment for you. So if you don't have a computer but want to work from home, this might be perfect to get you started. Get that computer equipment, make some money, and then of course you can always save up and buy your own computer equipment later. But the big hotel chain Hyatt, they are hiring a guest services associate to work from home. Now they're looking to start training next month in April, so make sure you get those applications in. They're paying $17 an hour for this position. It is remote for my United States folks only, but they are only hiring in certain states. Those states are Arizona, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Louisiana, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Nebraska, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, and Wisconsin. Now, I do have this application page as well as the list of all of the states linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But they are basically looking for customer service, guest service associates to provide the Hyatt guests with exceptional customer service through inbound reservation process. You'll respond to the guest in a friendly, timely, and attentive manner while meeting Hyatt's standard of care in every interaction. You may be doing things like sales conversion, upselling, cross-selling, enrolling guests in the loyalty program, as well as offering Hyatt credit cards. When you are speaking to the guest and trying to resolve their issues or sign them up for the loyalty program, you will have to be computer savvy and be typing and navigating multiple computer screens while you are actively talking to them. So it's just a basic customer service position. Now, again, I stated they are providing complete paid training that begins in April of 2023. One thing to note about their schedules, training hours are 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday for 5 weeks. After training is done, if you scroll down this page, they have lots of options for picking your schedule. You get to create the schedule that works best for you. You pick a full-time 40-hour schedule using the requirements below. You have to pick at least 8 hours that fall on a Sunday or Saturday, 12:30 p.m. to 2 o'clock a.m., and Monday, 12:30 p.m. to 2 o'clock a.m. The remaining hours can be scheduled on all days of the week listed down below, and they give you examples of how people might pick their schedules. So this is going to require some weekend work. They require you to have your own high-speed internet and your own mouse and keyboard, but other than that, they are providing the computer equipment for you. On top of the $17 an hour pay, they are offering a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, 401k, paid time off. And again, like I said, this is an entry-level position. They're not really requiring any previous experience, just somebody who has great communication skills, can hold a high degree of customer service, and can multitask. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.